Hey, Jim Starwell here at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, the Star Home team, making this video right from our McHenry office in downtown McHenry on Elm Street, but giving you our end of February market update housing report. So what we've got going on is the total amount of listings is up from last month, but we're returning to about where we were a year ago. That's total active listings, which you can go out and take a look at today. Active listings are about the same as last month, but new listings are way up. While pending listings have returned to about what we saw last year, this is showing that, as I predicted, a lot of the pent-up seller demand is starting to hit the market. But it's being absorbed just about as fast as it shows up on the market. We currently are seeing a median price of about $177 per square foot. Days on the market is way down, both from last month and last year. So even though we're seeing more listings, they're also getting purchased just as fast. So what that means is it's a great time to sell as buyers are continuing to move out this way. The bottom line, it's a great time to buy or sell. You just need to be ready to make your move when the right home shows up. They're coming on the market more and more every single day, but we still have a whole lot of buyers that are pulling the triggers. So if you want a aggressive team that's going to help you get into that right house when it shows up, you give us a call. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, right at 4817 Elm Street in McHenry, Illinois.